So I think the recording has started. Yes, I think so. Yes, it has started. So, alright, now we are running a benchmark for this particular software that I made. Like, it is a very small software. What it does is it basically monitors our system hardware performance. Right now my CPU is at 100% usage, my GPU is almost at 100% usage because I'm running a benchmark, and my RAM is at 50% usage. It is showing all that. So as you can see, the software also captures the exact hardware I have. This will work on all AMD machines, right? All the machines with AMD GPUs. I will make one for the NVIDIA GPUs also, because see, like, they require separate Python modules, so this is why I couldn't implement it. So here in the software we can see that it shows our processor name, what is our max frequency, and since the GPU is under load and the CPU is under load, it is constantly fluctuating at 100 and 61, then 74, etc, etc. It also shows the number of physical processors I have and the logical processors, that is the threads I have. So this is a 4-core 4-thread processor, so it is showing 4-core 4, and on the right side it shows the GPU I have. So it shows the exact GPU model, what is the max frequency available to me, what is my current memory frequency, what is my total VRAM, etc, etc. So this benchmark was specially needed in this case because I needed to show you the GPU usage, or else the GPU usage would sit around 1 to 2% and it wouldn't be fun. See, it just as soon as I just shut it off, the GPU usage also went down. So nothing much over here. Other than that, this software has several other small features that I have implemented, and this was done specially with the help of watching some YouTube tutorials, which I will be linking below in the description. Here it is draggable, but since the UI and the function which particularly fetches all that data and sends it to the UI are running on the same thread, so the UI elements have to wait until that particular function sends the data. Alright, so this is why you might suffer stuttering over here. If you have a little slow system, or if you have any system, you will see this app stutter because it is running on one single thread, and one single thread can handle so much data at once, right? It cannot handle UI and data all at the same time, and since the data is being sent at an interval of 1 second only, and that in that particular second, if we just try to move that UI, it collides, right? The data is being sent and then only the UI is being moved. So yeah, that is why it is a little bit unresponsive. Other than that, there is 3 buttons over here which have been implemented to portray the maximize, minimize, close functionality, and we can just stretch this window to make it large. As you can see, I'm stretching it and making it large. It will take some time because, yeah, as you can see, it it will take some time. The moment I just put all of this in a multi-threaded perspective, everything will be running smooth. So no worries over there. I'm just learning how to implement multi-threading in this case, and I am sure I can implement it within 3 to 4 days. So yep. Alright, so this is the maximize functionality, it works. The minimize functionality, let's say it's it's working, and then again it's opened and then it's closed. So all the functionalities work, and that's it. That's all there is to this software. Thank you for watching.